Hey guys, I have a few things to tell you about. First up, I have a workshop coming up September 14th and 15th, my StressBusters Guided Meditation workshop. You can find out information on JackieBirdSpiritualWellness.com and get your tickets because space is limited. Book now, don't wait till the last minute. Second thing I have to tell you is I have a podcast. It is called Roll with Peace in Mind, and it is also stress release related. It is also mindfulness related and helping you in your personal growth. I also have ebooks called 7 Daily Thoughts and Mantras for Mindfulness. Those are also geared to helping you reduce your stress and anxiety, help you with mindfulness, and to ground and center. So check me out. Everything's on JackieBirdSpiritualWellness.com. Workshop September 14th and 15th. You have 4 time slots to choose from. Don't wait till the last minute. Book now. Very small space, very calming, soothing space. You will feel fantastic. And you know what? If you look in the background, you see the beautiful sky and the water because I'm right near the Hudson waterfront. I am in Liberty State Park right now. So you come out, use your Metro card to get over here, have your meditation. It's 60 minutes. Then you go have some food. There's a lot of different cuisines in the neighborhood. Have your cuisine of your choice. Then take a nice walk over to Liberty State Park, or you can walk straight to the waterfront. Just hang out and see spectacular views like this one. Woohoo! Spectacular views of the city. So, September 14th, September 15th. It's real easy to get here, y'all. There's no excuse. Fast from New York downtown, World Trade Center. 10 minutes. Well, actually, it's a little longer now because you got to take a 5-minute ferry trip, and then you take a 1 stop, and then you walk 4 blocks. So it's easy to get here. Like I said, your Metro card will do it. And check it out. JackieBirdSpiritualWellness.com.